Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys my updated foundation routine. I'm going to list everything down below and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I already have my eyebrows done. I'm going to just start priming my face with the Hangover primer. Now, normally I don't put this much, but you know, shit happens. Anywho, so you're going to spread that all over your face. Then after that, I go ahead and spritz my face with the Mario water. I like the rosemary one. And of course, I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation, which is from Smashbox. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Y6 brush from Morphe and just, you know, spread out my foundation. Now, after I'm done putting my foundation on, I'm just going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and go ahead and apply that under my eyes and my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And those are all the spots that I'm highlighting. And then I'm going to just take a damp beauty blender and just blend that all the way out. So now I'm just taking my contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and it's in the color Espresso, and I'm just, you know, carving out my cheekbones and also my nose and my forehead. So once I'm done carving out my face, then I'm gonna take my MERCIER translucent powder and just apply it all over wherever I put my highlight, just to kind of like set it. I like to use this bronzer from IGLOT, and I pretty much set all the places where I contoured. So that's, you know, under my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Now I'm just taking this brush from Elf. Yeah, it's the foundation brush, but my, you know, handle kind of broke off. But yeah, I just use that and I brush off all of the where the setting powder is, and then I go into this finishing powder from NYX. I love this as a finishing powder. It's amazing. And I just pretty much, you know, apply it all over my face, my eyes, you know, to kind of like set my face in a way. So yeah, once I'm done doing that, I kind of just brush out my eyebrows, make sure that there's no powder in them and that they're still looking good. After I'm done doing all of that, I like to take this blush trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills and apply that to my cheeks. And then I like to spritz my face one more time with the Mario water. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlight. I like these two colors from the NYX Strobe Genius, and apply that to my upper cheekbone. You know, a little razzle dazzle. Also, I like to apply it to my nose, my cupid's bow, and underneath my eyebrows. So it kind of gives it like a little pop and like a highlight. And once I'm done, then I go ahead and set my face. I'm using this all-nighter from Urban Decay setting spray. It's my first time using it. I guess it was pretty nice. I usually use the next one. Then I'm going to go ahead and prep my lashes using the LANCOME, I believe it's called the XL Booster. And then I'm taking the Sephora, I think it's called the Lash Blast mascara, and just, you know, coating my eyes. And I really don't like the brush of it, but I love the Better Than Sex, but I was running low on it, so that's why you see me going in with the Better Than Sex mascara. After that, you know, I gotta put on a nice little lippy that's gonna make it pop. And so I'm just outlining my lip with this lip liner from Kiss. I can't remember the name, but I'll make sure I put everything down below for you guys. Once I'm done lining, I'm gonna go in with this matte lipstick. I think this is from Kiss also. I can't remember, but again, I'm gonna have it down below. I think it's either Kiss or Ruby Kisses, but this is in their like brown color. It's so cute. And I'm gonna take this Too Faced Melt matte lipstick too and apply that to the center so I can give myself like an ombre effect. Yeah. And then I just use my finger to kind of like, you know, blend everything together, but I use like a patting motion. So this is the completed look. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I will make sure to list everything down below, and if you really like this video, don't forget to comment, you know, like this video and subscribe so I can do more videos for you guys. And yeah.